Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mika, aka Monroe XO here. Today's video is so different. I think one of my first ever hauls was for Zara and nothing fit. So we're giving it another go. That was probably about 2-3 years ago. So here we are today. I got a few like a wintry, cute lounge. I got all of that. Basics, kind of stuff you just need in your drobe. Am I cool saying drobe? Probably not. As always, everything will be linked below in the description box. So if you see something you like, treat yourself. And before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and also thumbs this video up if you like a curvy girl haul, because I got you. I just want to let y'all know I was nervous shopping at Zara because I don't really be seeing my sizing or models that look like me on their website. So it's hard to choose what might look good on you, and their photography of their clothes is just, it's a little weird. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this co-ord set. Look at this color. This color is everything. I don't know if the top is supposed to be fully cropped. Let's see. Oh no, it doesn't say the name on it. But it fits like a crop top on me and I like the look of it. Also, it's probably one of the softest materials I felt in a really long time. It's just nice and comfy and warm. I'm definitely gonna throw this on probably today when I go out later for a little walk. You can lounge around in this in the house, or I'm probably gonna put on either my beige trench. It's a coat. It looked like a trench. Or my black one. Either way, we're gonna figure this look out. Maybe some tan Yeezys, tan and pink. I don't know. I got to look in my head. I'm just not 100% sure how to execute it, but if you follow me on the gram, you'll be able to see how I end up styling this look. Next, sticking with lounge sets again, I'm really mad because the cardigan was sold out in my size. Also, I just want to let people know I am normally a XL 1X on the top, and this is a large, and it fit kind of like baggy and big. Like if you can see, I don't know, my camera might not focus, but this is a large, and I felt like I had loads of room in this. So I don't want you to think just because you see that they have a large on the website, don't be like nervous to buy, because I honestly wish I could have sized down, gave the girls a little bit of extra support, if you know what I'm saying. And then the pants are just nice and comfy as well. They are bell bottoms, and I struggle to find shoes for bell bottom pants because I'm just not sure how to not look like a duck because I have really long feet. So I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna style these. This will probably be more like a lounge in the housewear type for me. If I could have found the cardigan. But now saying that, maybe I should have got the cardigan in the medium. I'm gonna have to go on Zara website. Next, we have this bodysuit. I got mine in an XL. It is a ribbed long sleeve bodysuit with actual working buttons. I unbuttoned all of mine to get into it, just to like pull it on instead of putting it over my head. And I didn't button back up, so I'm not sure if there's gapping. I'll definitely check and let you guys know. But anyways, yeah, it's a bodysuit. The only thing I don't like about this bodysuit is that it's got the wide booty, and I could see the visible like double panty line in my jeans, and I wasn't really feeling that because it was all bunched up. But anyways, that's what I don't like about this. I'll probably be returning this, but other than that, the fit of it, I like the V, very classy. I love this top. I just don't like the bottom. If it was a shirt on its own, I'd love that, but it's not. Okay, it's not. All right, so then I had to go for the top that everybody and their mama is wearing. It comes in brown, black, white, pink, all kinds of colors. I just figured like this was a nice color for me because I don't really own much stuff this color, but I like it on my skin tone. So yeah, so I went ahead and I ordered this. I got this in a large. So I was nervous about this as well. Because of all this hair, it was a little hard to get into, but it wasn't bad once it was on. I think I'd probably put this on with a jacket. You guys, I don't know if you're new to my channel, you know I'm not that comfortable with having my arms out all the time. So I usually probably would just dress this up with a jacket. I don't know, but let me know what you guys think about it. Look at me looking in the mirror, trying to look at it. Anyways, yeah, this is cute. I also got another bodysuit in a large. It's this lace bodysuit. No try on because it did not fit. Couldn't get it over my head at all. I tried multiple times, but it just didn't work out. It looked like it got some stretch. Like I feel like if I could have gotten there, I could have got in there. You know what I'm saying? Next is probably my favorite thing out of the whole haul. It is this double-sided, is that the word? Reversible. It is this reversible jacket. It's got the Sherpa kind of like feel on one side, and then it's got the waterproof bomber feel on the other. I didn't even realize it was reversible until like midway through, so I'm gonna show 2 different cuts. But I love this. I actually like this side better because of this pocket right here. Is there a pocket on the other side? Oh yeah, I don't really like this pocket, but the pocket on the bomber side is real cute. I love this, and when you think about the price of it, you're getting 2 jackets for 1, so I'm not mad. Sometimes Zara can be kind of expensive, but I did shop on a sale, so I saved lots of money. That's probably why I did this shop, because Zara doesn't really appeal to me financially, I guess, if that makes sense, but if there's a sale, I'm on it. And then last, I got like this shacket. I'm late to the shacket game, but this baby, this is it, okay? I love this. The color, everything, the fit, the feel, the fabric. It's definitely like heavy, really quality. It's definitely a throw on and go over like any type of outfit. I just threw this on with a black, I think, tank top and some black jeans, and I like how that looked. But this is bae right here, okay? Next to that double-sided jacket, next to that reversible jacket, this is my fave, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching my Zara haul. Again, if you're plus size, don't be nervous to order, because I'm telling you, just give it a try. Don't be scared to try new things. 2021, we coming for it all, okay? Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.